We're extremely proud to introduce the new Grand Cherokee L. It's a very big deal, and it's a big adventure for design engineering and the brand to reinvent an icon and lever the heritage of the car, but make it a more modern, more up-to-date, more exciting product ever, bringing the new technology, but also refreshing the design, bringing something that doesn't lose the past, but look at the future. I think the Grand Cherokee L, as it's presented today, delivers on pretty much everything. It's an overachiever in every category. It's an overachiever in performance. It's an overachiever in design. It's really beautiful. I think the lines are very, very sophisticated, but it's a very simple design at the same time. Beautiful contradiction in Grand Cherokee. The contradiction of being a rugged product, but at the same time being as sophisticated and premium as it is. Being at the same time capable off-road and truly capable with water fording, and at the same time be outstanding on-road with outstanding on-road manner, makes it really an interesting product. So that dual personality makes it the success what it is. The customers never get disappointed because they always have that overachiever providing them what they need when they want it.
Every time we do a change in a Jeep, we have to make it better off-road and better on-road with this four-wheel drive capability so that our customers are never let down. They want to know that they have the best four-wheel drive that they can buy, and they get that in a Jeep. A couple things you'll notice as soon as you get in the vehicle is, I talked about authentic materials. You open the door, the Summit model behind me has got more real wood and real leather and real metal than any other SUV in the marketplace, and it really makes you feel like $1 million. And then you start driving it and feel the tech, whether you're massaging your back with the seat, or whether you're playing with the technology and using the technology to make your day a little bit easier. We have a new Uconnect 5 system that's got a 10-inch screen and the radio, another 10-inch screen in front of you, so there's lots of tech there to help you through your day, and it's just a fantastic environment to be in.
There's something that I've learned when I joined Jeep is the customer is the center of everything we do, and we listen to them. The customers were asking for a 3-row, so we brought them a 3-row, and 75% of the segment is 3-row. We're able to be #1 in the segment with a 2-row, which was quite remarkable. Now we're going to have the opportunity to really break through in the segment because we're going to have that 3-row and that 2-row, which is going to also come this year. And on top of that, we will have a version plug-in hybrid that will come later this year.
This is the next generation Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Designed, developed, engineered on all new architecture. It's the latest iteration of the American SUV icon that can go anywhere and do anything. A hallmark of any Jeep 4x4. Durability and the ability to go all in for the long haul has always been part of our story. It's what's made us the longest lasting SUV brand, and our drivers depend on it. This new Grand Cherokee embodies everything that we know about 4x4 capability, about safety, about technology, and about the Jeep brand's legendary history. But we gave it even more. We gave it greater capacity, seating for up to 7, to bring more people along in the adventure. Why? Because Jeep owners have been asking for it, and we believe that we have an obligation to owners who are more like fans, like family. This new Grand Cherokee takes our advanced 4x4 up another notch. Literally. Whether you choose QuadraTrack 1, 2, or QuadraDrive 2 with electronic limited slip differential, your 4x4 system is married to a traction management system unlike any other. Grand Cherokee Select Terrain allows drivers to tailor the advanced 4x4 system to best suit conditions and is designed to work like no others in its class. The Grand Cherokee can transfer 100% of its torque front to back or side to side. These 4x4 technologies will also adapt to road surfaces to provide the optimal traction. So even if you don't adjust Select Terrain to your driving conditions, Grand Cherokee has your back, unconditionally. If you're climbing up a rock in Moab or pulling onto a snow-covered thruway in New York, you'll be happy to know that you're in a Jeep vehicle. But the Select Terrain system isn't the only one that will rise to any occasion. The available class-exclusive Quadralift air suspension is also legendary in its adaptability, allowing for over 4 inches of air suspension travel. Adjustable, adaptable, exceptional. The Quadralift system allows drivers to select 5 distinct suspension heights: normal, off-road 1, off-road 2, park mode, and aero mode, which is electronically activated for optimum aerodynamics at highway speeds to help maximize fuel economy. Regardless of selection, Quadralift has taken Grand Cherokee's capabilities to a new level. Need 10.9 inches of ground clearance? Select Off-Road 2 in the Summit 4x4 and you've got it. That's the most ground clearance of any Grand Cherokee ever. Are you faced with 2 feet of water between you and where you want to go? Not a problem. Quadralift now allows Grand Cherokee to ford through 24 inches of water. That's the deepest this trail-rated nameplate has ever forded in stock form. Even the depths have been taken to new heights. Looking to bring 7,200 pounds along for the adventure? Well, you can do that with Grand Cherokee's projected best-in-class towing. Better yet, you can do it with peace of mind. For 80 years, the Jeep brand has built peace of mind into every vehicle, every component, every piece that makes a Jeep vehicle a Jeep vehicle. Time and time again, our customers have told us how important safety is to them. They've leaned into the Jeep brand with their trust, and we've gone all out to deliver. Our team has worked tirelessly to ensure the latest technology has been deployed in this legend to deliver the most advanced safety and security features ever in a Grand Cherokee. There are more than 110 standard and available safety and security features. 2 things that are undisputedly high strength: 60% of the steel we use in the safety cage, and 100% of our commitment to keeping driver and passengers safe. And while Jeep brand has always been known for taking people to new places, today's Grand Cherokee has taken safety to new frontiers, thanks to technology. Of course, we're as committed to tech that connects you to your contacts, devices, directions, and entertainment as we are in tech that keeps you connected to the road. That's why this all-new Grand Cherokee is not only the most advanced Grand Cherokee ever, it also offers the most available technology features in its class. Features like the new heads-up display that lets drivers keep their eyes on the road while stats like miles per hour, incoming calls, and turn-by-turn navigation are shown on the windshield. We've added technology that will help you better see pedestrians and animals in the dark, up to 219 yards away, alert you to crossroad traffic risks, perk up drowsy drivers, and help you parallel park. At the heart of the all-new Grand Cherokee's technological ecosystem lies the new Uconnect 5, the most advanced Uconnect system ever. More innovative, more intuitive, and with an available 10.1-inch touchscreen for an easier interface. Using wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, even when your device is wirelessly charging on the integrated pad, Uconnect sends your source, your playlists, podcasts, conference calls out to the new, optional, premium Macintosh audio surround sound system. Absolute audiophile caliber audio is delivered via 19 speakers, the most available in its class, and is driven by a 17-channel 950-watt amplifier for high-definition sound. Bass? How about a 10-inch subwoofer? Looking for a mood to go along with that music? There are 5 ambient lighting modes that allow you to dial up some atmosphere as well. And when it comes to putting technology to practice, we're all about it. Grand Cherokee now offers active driving assist, and later this year, we'll offer a hands-free active driving assist autonomous system. In Grand Cherokee, comfort is second nature, thanks to the new virtual ball joint front and multi-link rear suspension for improved ride and handling, and 16-way adjustable front seats with massage and memory. Long distances are a breeze for passengers as well, with Grand Cherokee L's projected best-in-class second-row legroom. In fact, the whole interior has been crafted to be world-class, premium at absolutely every touchpoint, and absolutely authentic to the Jeep brand. From available Natura Plus leather seats and suede-like premium headliner to the leather-stitched interior accents on the dash and doors, this is projected to be the most luxurious vehicle in its class. The Summit with Reserve trim showcases even more, with a leather-stitched IP and door panels, leather center console, hand-wrapped steering wheel, quilted Palermo leather seating, open-pore waxed walnut wood, and metal accents. But don't take our word for it. See it for yourself thanks to the new rear seat monitoring camera. Because with this much room, you'd expect to zoom. And let's face it, in an era that's put social distancing at paramount importance, distancing from everything has never been more important. And it's never meant more to share experiences with those closest to you. So for everything we've added to the new Grand Cherokee L, the ability to share it with 6 or 7 passengers may be the most meaningful. Behind the optional second row bench or standard tip and slide bucket seats is Grand Cherokee L's new available power folding third row bench seat. It's a place where new capacity is right at home with legendary capability. After all, every Grand Cherokee wears a badge that's been earned by representing freedom, adventure, authenticity, and passion for over 80 years. For 2021, the all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee also wears the American flag to honor its home, its hardware, and the hearts and souls of those who are dedicated to building the most awarded SUV ever.